Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're taking a closer look at Wholesale2B.com, a platform designed to connect online retailers with dropshipping suppliers. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce entrepreneur or just starting out, Wholesale2B offers a range of tools and services to simplify the often complex process of dropshipping. They provide access to a massive inventory of products across various categories, eliminating the need for you to handle inventory management, storage, or shipping logistics. This allows you to focus on the core aspects of your business: marketing, sales, and customer service. One of the key benefits of using Wholesale2B is their integrated approach. They offer seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify, streamlining product listing and order fulfillment. This integration significantly reduces the manual work involved in managing a dropshipping business, saving you valuable time and resources. Instead of painstakingly uploading product details and tracking orders across multiple platforms, you can manage everything from a centralized dashboard. Wholesale2B also boasts a comprehensive product catalog, featuring millions of items from a diverse network of suppliers. This vast selection empowers you to curate a product offering that resonates with your target audience and niche market. Finding the right products to sell is often a crucial hurdle for dropshippers, and Wholesale2B aims to simplify this process with its extensive catalog and search functionality. You can browse products by category, keyword, or supplier, giving you granular control over your inventory selection. Furthermore, Wholesale2B provides various pricing plans to suit different business needs and budgets. Whether you're just testing the waters with a few products or scaling a large-scale operation, they offer tiered plans with varying features and levels of support. This flexibility ensures that you only pay for the resources you need, making it a potentially cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. It's worth exploring their website and comparing the different plans to determine the best fit for your specific requirements. In addition to their core services, Wholesale2B also offers valuable resources such as marketing tools, sales analytics, and customer support. These added features can help you optimize your sales strategies, track your performance, and resolve any issues that may arise. By providing a holistic suite of tools, Wholesale2B aims to empower dropshippers with everything they need to succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Remember to check out the link in the description below to learn more.